today for the Bitcoin price. And yes, guys, I am shocked right now. I am shocked big times. And if you're asking yourself, Chris, what the heck are you talking about? Watch this video until the very end. I have things to share with you, not only in the charts, but also in the news landscape, which will potentially blow your mind. Guys, go below this video, smash up the like button to a new all-time high, as you're always smashing up the like button to a new all-time high. Yesterday's video got 11,800 likes. This is crazy. You are a force for good. Thank you so much for that. And now let's go straight into the content, because I'm not only going to talk about what is happening here chart-wise for Bitcoin, I am going to open my $7.5 million trade, whether I'm keeping it open, whether I'm closing it, what's my profits, where are my price targets, everything. No, I wanted to go, before I'm doing that, into the news landscape and show you something absolutely mind-blowing, guys. So stick here with me until the very end. Let's go here straight into it. And before I'm going into it, I wanted to remind you on one thing. Sometimes I am getting messages from people, Chris, I'm not getting your video notification. What you can do is obviously always liking the video. That takes like not even a second out of your day. But very important is going below and pressing this red subscription button. It says subscribe. Press it, press the bell, and then press on all. Only that way you can make sure that you are getting these notifications from YouTube whenever I'm uploading a time-sensitive video, including my price targets, trade alerts, and everything. Go down below, press subscribe right now. I wanted to go into the charts just in a few seconds, but I wanted to tell you something which was shocking me big times. So look at this, CoinDesk. You remember this SEC news that the Bitcoin ETF is approved, right? SEC approves Bitcoin ETF. I can tell you something, and correct me if I'm wrong here, right? I have a small version of ADHD, so I'm not reading so much. I'm using a lot of video content. But my question is, why are they saying the SEC approves the Bitcoin ETF? When we can see widespread in the mainstream media, the SEC is set to allow Bitcoin futures. Bitcoin futures ETFs are poised for milestone with debut in US. Like wherever you go, and if you go into the original documents, like it's not approved yet, as far as I know, and correct me if I'm wrong, on the 18th, in 2 days, this is the day it should get approved or not. Yes, most likely it's gonna get approved. But if you're trading the news here, I wanted to tell you, be a little bit more careful, guys. I'm trading the charts. But if you are trading the news, be a little bit more careful, because if in 2 days, low likelihood for that, the SEC comes out and say we are not approving it, that is gonna be a very big sell the news event. This is something I can promise you. Anyways, guys, it's bullish, right? The charts are bullish. Everything in the charts is showing us bullish confluence, but this is something I wanted to show you. I will talk about my trades as well, but now let's focus on the charts. What I'm always doing is I am getting a full picture of everything. So I'm looking at the hourly, I'm looking at the 4 hourly, I'm looking at the daily, and I'm looking at the weekly chart. On the weekly chart, of course, we got this bounce. This was the moment I was opening my trade. Actually, my $7.4 million trade currently, I will show you just a little bit later on in the video, including my price targets, including my predictions and everything, all my strategies and game plans. Every time we are bouncing from the 21-week EMA, just like here 7 times, here 2 times, and here once again, finally, we are getting a huge run towards the upside. This was for me the signal to open this specific trade. So I opened it. Then I scaled it up once we were breaking this cup and handle pattern. The moment we were breaking it at 51,000, I was scaling it up. I was telling you guys, when we are breaking it, the price is gonna go higher. We broke it, the price went higher, exactly as we were predicting at the MMCrypto community. The moment I was scaling up again yesterday was the moment we were breaking this horizontal resistance and the upward sloping resistance of this ascending wedge, of this rising wedge here. So we broke it with volume support. I was longing even more. Also, here on the 4 hourly right now, you can see, I mean, perfect confluence everywhere, right? Everything is screaming bullish, bullish, bullish. We were also going here above the cluster of resistance on the VPVR. Perfect, amazing. On the 4 hourly, we were breaking out from this ascending broadening wedge. Now we are going down, and so far we are getting a perfect bounce here. If the next 4 hourly candle is gonna be green and this bounce is going to continue, even more perfect. I mean, oops, let me quickly go to the video mode and switch this back. Even more perfect, because this would furthermore mean likelihood the highest to go towards the upside. I'm just telling you, if you are trading here solely the news, be aware that this is not 100% confirmed yet with this ETF. This is just something I wanted to tell you. And now let me go over to my 7.4 million US dollar trade. Let me tell you exactly where I am going to take profits, why I'm still in that trade, where are my profits right now, and what are my price targets for Bitcoin. Before I am doing that, guys, and by the way, thank you so much for liking, sharing, subscribing, and everything. Yesterday we got 11,800 likes, and this is unseen in crypto space. Thank you so much. I'm very proud of hosting such a lovely and beautiful supportive community. You are truly a force for good. Thank you so much for that. So before I'm going into my trade, I am getting sometimes messages of people, Chris, where can I trade? It can't be easier than that. I have my favorite exchanges in the pinned comment and in the video description down below. If you go to the pinned comment or the video description, you will find I have put together a 3,955 US dollar bonus. Bybit is by far my favorite exchange. They have much lower funding fees than Phoenix, for example, but all of these exchanges are good. I'm trading on all of these exchanges. Bybit is just my favorite. You have a 1,645 US dollar free bonus on Bybit alone, on all of them together, a 4,000 US dollar bonus almost. So if you are using my links down below in the pinned comment section down below, you click the link, you make your own account. After your initial deposit, you get these bonuses for free, and a $4,000 bonus equates at a 30x leverage if you leave your own money even on the sidelines to a 120,000 US dollar trade completely for free. So make sure to take advantage of that, as all of these offers are for limited time. But please, please, for the love of God, please only do trading if you are an experienced trader, guys. I'm not just saying it, I really mean it. I mean, we are making bank. We are making beautiful profits in the MMCrypto community throughout the whole bull market with our strategy here, right? But sometimes it seems easy as it is. The strategies I'm going here alone are very easy, but the emotional standpoint is very, very difficult. Excluding fear and greed is very, very difficult. So make sure that you are able to do that before you're starting your trading journey here. So let me go over here into the charts, and you can into the trade. You can see my trade, 7.4 million US dollars in a profit, right? 7.4 million US dollars is the contract size of my trade, 140 Bitcoin in that specific trade. My liquidation price at 50,800 US dollars, and right now almost at 1.2 million US dollars in a profit on this specific trade here, 1.2 million US dollars. And of course, I'm trading this one on Phoenix, but I'm trading the most, I like it the most to trade over on Bybit, but it's your choice. You make your own choice here, just with the links down below. What I wanted to tell you is on my trades, this trade, I am keeping it open, but I am aware of the fact that if bad news are coming, things that can go against us. This is exogenous risk we are not having any control over. I am keeping this trade open, and yes, my first price target was 61. My next price target after breaking the all-time high would be 74,000. Then I have a 81 at 85,000 and eventually a 92,000 US dollar price target for Bitcoin. All of these things are in the future. So make sure you are taking continuously profits here towards the upside, as we are trading Bitcoin settled futures, and you take these profits in Bitcoin. If Bitcoin goes higher, you are still making profits. This is the mindset I want from you guys. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Make sure you smash up the like button to a new all-time high, and I'm going to see you at the next one of MMCrypto. And as always, guys, bye-bye.